that is it from all of us here at the Jervis Shopping Centre on Mary Street in Dublin, where we've been coming to you all morning with our top Christmas shopping guide. A big thanks, of course, to Santa for taking time out from his busy schedule to be here, and of course to all the Ireland AM contributors for everything that they've done this morning. And of course, huge thanks to the Mount Anvil Secondary School Choir, who have kept us entertained with their beautiful Christmas carols. And of course, if you've missed anything from this morning's show, just log on to www.jervis.ie. But for the moment, that's it from all of us here, and we say a big